In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change app icon style in your Android phone. So at first, if you touch and hold on the home screen and then go to settings option. Now from here, you can only change your app icon size. Now if you want to change your app icon style, then you have to change your theme. So just go to themes option. Make sure that you have internet connection. After that, just tap on top and then download any theme as you like. Now if you change theme from here, then your app icon style will be changed. So if you want to download this theme, just select it, then tap on download, give it a moment, and it's complete. Then just tap on apply. You can see it's applying the theme and it's complete. Now you can see in my phone, app icon style has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change app icon style in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.